In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a roadmap on Monday.com. Whether you're working on a complex project or planning the roadmap for a new product, Monday.com makes it easy to organize and visualize your tasks effectively. So, let's dive right in and get started. The first thing you'll want to do is open up your internet browser. Simply type Monday.com into your search bar and hit Enter. This should take you directly to the website if you don't have it bookmarked already. Once you're on the home page, you're ready to log in. If you already have an account, just enter your login details as you normally would. If you're new to Monday.com, you'll need to set up an account, but don't worry, it's straightforward and quick. Now, let's assume you've successfully logged into your workspace. You'll be on the main dashboard of your Monday.com environment, where you can see all of your current boards and tasks. From this main workspace, locate the plus Add button. It's typically found in a prominent location on your screen, often at the top or along the left-hand side. This button may be represented simply as a plus icon. Clicking on it will give you access to various options for adding new boards or entries to your workspace. Next, you'll want to select the Template Center. The Template Center is a treasure trove of pre-designed frameworks that can save you a lot of setup time. Here you'll find numerous templates designed to fit different needs and purposes. Once you're in the Template Center, you'll want to search for Roadmap. Type this into the search bar, and you'll be presented with a variety of roadmap options tailored to different kinds of projects. Whether you're planning timelines for a product launch or tracking the progress of a long-term project, you'll find something that suits your specific requirements. Once you've found a template that seems like a good fit, click on it to open it up. This is where you can start customizing. You'll want to add your specific action items or tasks into this template. Think about the objectives and goals your team needs to hit and list these as your tasks. It's a good idea to reorder these tasks by priority so that everyone on your team knows exactly what needs the most attention at any given time. Tailor the template to fit your team's unique workflow. Change the labels, due dates, and add any necessary subtasks or notes to ensure that everything is clear and actionable. The aim here is to make sure that the roadmap not only serves as a guide for the project, but also as a daily reference point for everyone involved. And there you have it, a customized, effective roadmap ready to keep your team on track. By leveraging the flexible options on Monday.com, you can ensure a streamlined workflow that adapts to your team's needs. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope you found this guide helpful, and feel free to leave any questions in the comments below. Until next time, happy planning.